Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix delay and lag in city and park games. Now most of the time it could be from 2K servers, but also it could be from your end. So now what you're basically going to do is, if you are on PS5, or honestly it doesn't matter what platform you're on, first thing you can do is simply just turn the console off, and then you're going to unplug everything, wait 5 to 10 minutes, replug everything, and then check to see if that fixes. If that does not fix, the second method you guys can do is change from Wi-Fi to a LAN cable. A LAN cable will literally improve ping, improve everything by so much. That will be the main deciding factor of less lag and less delay input, etc, etc. So yeah, just do these things. You could always delete 2K24 and then re-download it and then check to see if that helps as well. And yeah, so these are the main things you guys can do to fix lag in city and park games. And yeah, so that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.